More thing actually happened this week. Mike, it's happening.
It's happening for sure.
They've allowed us to take a test ride the first time on Top Thrill 2. 2.5 years-ish later, here we are actually seeing the project come to life.
It's gonna be exciting for sure. Ready to go?
He's chill.
Yeah.
He's chill. I'm a little scared. First time ride experience, you know?
A little nervous?
Yeah, a little nervous, a little bit. There's a seagull down there.
Yeah,
Needs to fly away, and away we go.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Woo! Oh, yes! Oh, that's fun.
That's nice.
Oh, airtime.
Okay.
Airtime. Whoa! Backwards launch.
Backwards.
101 more. Ah! Holy cow! Oh, positive G's, negative G's, way low. Oh, that's neat. Ah! Ah! Woohoo! 420 feet! Oh, spiral!
Hey.